Lantapa National High School Senior High School is entrusted to deliver quality education that helps develop learners holistically and responsibly to the community. The school is also facing some challenges concerning learners' academic performance, absenteeism, and child labor. Improves academic performances, attendance, and minimize the risk of dropouts for students.
Adapt a Student, it is a program designed and implemented in the school. It is my innovation, a program that helps the students to be back in school. The title of the program that I have made is that Adapt a Student, Bridging Learners to School. As an advisor, nakikita namin kung yung status ng mga bata dito sa school. At the 5th week of the school year 2021 to 2022, so marami na kaming mga batang nakikita na hindi na pumapasok sa school. With that, we have to address the problem. We have to address because this problem might leading to dropout later on. So habitual absenteeism, kailangan namin siyang i-diagnose kung ano yung cause. As an advisor, it is our duty to home visit the student and of course, to reach out to their parents. What is the status? Bakit hindi sila nakakabalik sa school? Yung problema sa dropouts, problema sa absenteeism, isang problema na aming nakikita dito sa school, especially these graduating students. Doon nakita ko yung scenario or yung sitwasyon ng bata. I was quite amazed dahil despite sa kahit anong hirap ng buhay, still, nung nakausap ko yung bata, gustong-gusto niyang bumalik sa school. So, ang bata is umuuwi sa bahay nila from school to their house is it will take 3 kilometro at naglalakad yung bata. Ang school ay mayroong shifting. Sa morning is the grade 11 shift, sa afternoon naman is yung grade 12. So since grade 12 ang bata is nakakauwi sila ng 6 p.m. During that time is hindi na siya safe para sa kanya, para lakarin yung 3 kilometro, umuwi lang sa kanya. So,
tabang ni Ma'am Lynn sa ko kaming pa-school ako niya. Thank you kaayo ma'am. Kaya sa inyo pagpa-school sa ko nakauman ko grade 12 labi na adto. Nagtake ko sa ko in situ assessment na si Osi ko atong nabagsak ko ato. Nimo din ko gipa di assessment pagkaugmat diretso for another 1-3 motor maong nahimo din kong in situ older ma'am. Thank you.
Akong anak, pa-eskwela na ko kang ma'am. Hindi ko kayong pasalamat kang Ma'am Lynn nga. Pa-eskwela akong anak, nakahuman sa grade 12. Salamat kasi imong suporta ma'am. Ug daghang salamat.